If you're tired of construction dust taking over your workspace, this video is going to save your sanity. Today we're breaking down the best shop vacs built to handle serious job site debris, from fine drywall dust to heavy-duty cleanup. I'll show you which models hit the sweet spot on power, filtration, and durability so you don't waste time or money on the wrong gear. Stick around to the end for my top pick and a quick tip to make any shop vac perform better than you expect. And if you want the vacs featured in this video, you'll find all the links in the description. Let's jump in. Ever wrapped up a project and looked at the mess thinking, I need something that actually keeps up? This compact, rugged 6-gallon unit steps in with a 4-horsepower motor that clears dust, wood chips, and even water spills without dragging its feet. It feels small enough to stash in a garage, but strong enough to handle real job site cleanup. The built-in storage keeps the crevice tool and nozzle right on the body, which saves you from losing parts the moment you set them down. The washable cartridge filter helps with long-term costs, and the included inflation kit is surprisingly handy. Tires, air mattresses, inflatable toys, it handles all of it. The corded design gives consistent power, though of course you're tethered to an outlet. It weighs around 15 pounds, so moving it around a shop or driveway is easy enough. Most folks who use it talk about the strong suction and how confidently it tackles dryer vents, garages, and DIY cleanup. Some wish the tank were bigger, but for its size, it performs above expectation. At around the mid-$90 range depending on the retailer, it lands as a dependable, budget-friendly pick. Solid performance, simple design, and no drama. Ever start clearing out a garage and realize your tiny vacuum is about to quit on you? That is when a big 16-gallon beast becomes the hero of the afternoon. This one brings a 6.5 peak horsepower motor that pulls in sawdust, leaves, and demolition debris without slowing down. The rear blower port kicks in when you need to push out grass clippings or clean a driveway fast, and the oversized drain saves you from wrestling with a heavy tank full of water. The dual flex hose stays flexible even when you twist around vehicles or workbenches, and the included wands and nozzles cover everything from carpets to car interiors. During real use, the power is what stands out. It clears piles quickly, though its size can feel bulky in tight corners. Some folks love how solid the body feels, while others find the build less durable than expected, but everyone agrees the suction delivers. Onboard storage helps tame accessory chaos, which is always a win in a busy shop. Price usually sits around the $80 to $100 range, putting it in the sweet spot for capacity and muscle. For big weekend projects, it simply works. Ever try cleaning out a car and wish your vacuum had just a little more bite without dragging around a giant tank? This compact 5-gallon unit hits that sweet spot. The Beast Series motor ramps up to impressive suction, pulling in fine dust, pet hair, and shop debris with the kind of force you usually see in bigger machines. The high-efficiency cartridge filter and dust bag capture particles down to 1 micron, which makes a noticeable difference when you are dealing with sanding residue or drywall powder. The long hose and power cord give about 25 feet of reach, so you are not constantly replugging as you move around a project. In everyday use, it feels surprisingly powerful for its size. People often talk about how well it handles car detailing and quick garage cleanup, though some wish it came with even more attachments. The accessory kit still covers most jobs, and onboard storage keeps the nozzles from wandering off. It switches to blower mode instantly, which is great for clearing workbenches or outdoor steps. Price usually lands around the $60 to $80 mark, making it a strong value. Compact, tough, and far stronger than it looks. Ever walked a job site wishing your cleanup gear could keep up with your cordless tools instead of tying you to an outlet? This powerful 6-gallon unit runs on the M18 platform and brings the kind of suction usually reserved for corded shop vacs. The brushless motor pushes past what most 3.5 peak horsepower vacuums can do, clearing common job site debris faster than expected. 2 cleaning modes let you pick between full power or extended runtime, and with a high-capacity battery, you can get over 30 minutes of steady cleanup before swapping packs. The reinforced wheels feel ready for uneven ground, and the crush-resistant hose handles twisting without giving out. It is part of Milwaukee's modular system, so you can swap motor heads, tanks, and carts to build a setup that fits your workflow. Real-world impressions highlight how durable the parts feel, and how freeing it is to clean without dragging a cord. The downside is obvious. Batteries add cost and weight, and runtime depends on the pack you use. Pricing usually sits in the premium cordless range, especially if you need the battery and charger. For crews already invested in M18 tools, this vacuum brings real job site convenience and serious strength. Ever started sanding or grinding concrete and watched a cloud of dust rise like a bad magic trick? This 9-gallon extractor steps in with real control. The automatic filter cleaning pulses every 15 seconds, so suction stays strong instead of fading mid-job. With a HEPA filter capturing particles down to 0.3 microns, you get cleaner air and far less mess drifting around the workspace. The airflow hits 150 CFM with impressive lift, and the fleece filter bag keeps debris contained while protecting the main filter. Using it on the job feels solid and predictable. It pairs easily with power tools, firing on and off with the tool's trigger, and the power broker dial helps you match suction to the task. Some people notice the rhythmic thump from the auto-clean cycle, while others appreciate how it keeps performance consistent. The wheels and locking caster roll smoothly across rough floors, and the compact footprint makes transport simple. Price usually lands in the higher professional range, but you are paying for durability, filtration, and compliance features that matter when handling fine dust or silica. For serious renovation or concrete work, this machine brings order to an otherwise messy process. Ever tried sanding indoors and realized your regular vacuum is basically cheering the dust on instead of stopping it? This compact 5.8-gallon extractor fixes that instantly. With 151 CFM and strong lift, it grabs fine debris before it becomes a problem, and the HEPA filter keeps the air noticeably cleaner. The quiet operation is what surprises people first. At around mid-60 decibels, you can run it during detailed woodworking or remodel work without feeling like you are standing next to a jet engine. Hooking it to a sander or saw feels smooth, thanks to the auto-start outlet that powers both the tool and extractor together. The long cord and anti-static hose give plenty of reach, and the swivel wheels make it easy to maneuver around tight corners. Some users call it a top performer for drywall sanding and appreciate how well it handles fine dust, while others mention the build can feel less rugged than expected. Even so, the overall suction and filtration leave a strong impression. Pricing usually sits in the premium HEPA extractor category, but the performance reflects that range. For anyone who values quiet cleanup, reliable filtration, and tool trigger convenience, this extractor feels like a smart upgrade. Ever start a detailed woodworking project and realize the dust situation is getting out of hand fast? This extractor steps in like a well-trained assistant. Push-button controls keep things simple, and once you connect a sander or saw, it automatically kicks on with the tool, so you are not fumbling with switches. The suction levels are adjustable across 5 settings, which helps when you are bouncing between delicate work and heavy cleanup. The Bluetooth integration feels surprisingly convenient, letting you trigger the extractor with compatible battery packs or an optional remote when you are across the room. The smooth anti-static hose avoids the usual clingy mess, and the T-lossy system lets you stack sustainers on top for a cleaner workflow. People often talk about how refined it feels to use. Steady suction, clean air, and less hassle during long sanding sessions. Some mention the price and weight as the biggest hurdles, but the performance tends to justify both. Filtration is strong thanks to the HEPA system, and the build quality carries that signature sturdy Festool feel. Pricing typically sits in the premium professional tier, but this is a tool built for serious work. If you want control, cleanliness, and consistent suction, it delivers. Thanks for watching. If this helped you pick the right shop vacs for construction dust, hit like and subscribe for more tool guides. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll point you in the right direction. All the featured vacs are linked in the description, so check them out before you go.